Super secrets for repairing issues related to dogs. Dogs have been companions to humans for thousands and thousands of years. However, if you're having problems with your dog, you might feel as though you're in uncharted territory. This video will help you harness years of wisdom and give you the knowledge you need to nurture your beloved pet. If your dog is very rowdy or easily excitable, experts recommend that you don't bring them along on vacation. Many times the thrill and confusion of a new area filled with strangers is too much for the hyper dog and unpleasant incidents may occur. Find a great kennel to care for your pooch instead. You should talk to your vet about the foods you give your dog. Depending on the type and age of dog, if you purchase the wrong kind of food it may upset their stomach. Be careful when it comes to what you feed your pet. Not everyone is good at training dogs, so quit trying if you see things are not going as well as planned. Instead of beating yourself up about it, get in touch with a trainer in your area. Since they have more experience with dogs, it may be much easier for them to train yours. Talk to your vet about appropriate nutrition for your canine. While some people feed their dogs according to the dog food package guidelines, these guidelines can be incorrect and lead to an overweight dog. Your vet will give you personalized advice. Keep your dog's teeth in tip-top condition. Just like humans, a dog can suffer from toothache, gum disease and even tooth loss. Regular brushing will ensure that his teeth and gums stay healthy and strong. Without regular brushing, it is estimated that dental disease will affect up to 80% of dogs by the age of 3. As well as dental cleaning by a vet, make sure that you brush your dog's teeth regularly. If you are struggling to get your pet to behave during a grooming session, apply positive reinforcement. With your words and your tone, praise your dog for anything little thing that he or she does well during the time you are working with him. Give him a treat when you are finished, so he begins to associate grooming with something good. You should turn your dog's behavior around in no time. In the past, most people used dogs to help them hunt or herd. Now, the relationship between humans and dogs is very different. However, that doesn't mean the past no longer applies. There's a wealth of dog care knowledge out there, and if you use it, you'll be much better off. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.